Hi everyone! In this video I'm gonna show you how to grow alfalfa microgreens. Take the tray with holes and place it in a tray without holes. Fill the tray with your growing medium. Spread the seed over the growing medium using the salt shaker. The shaker prevents the seed from getting heaped up all together in one spot, which will cause growing issues. Grab a spray bottle and water the tray. Make sure the tray is moisture enough without overdoing it. The growing medium must be moist, but not soaked. Place the second tray without holes on top and add some weight. I use several heavy bucks for weighing the tray down. Now put the tray in the rack and let it be for the day. Day 1. Remove the weight from the top tray. Carefully remove the top tray and tap it onto the bottom one to remove any seed that might be stuck. There is not much to see yet. Water the tray again using a spray bottle and put the top tray and the weights back on. Repeat this process at night. Day 2. Repeat the process from day 1. As you can see, the seeds now start germinating. Day 3. Again, repeat the process as before. It is now obvious that all the seeds started germination. Day 4. As you can see, there are now small leaves appearing. Water the tray and keep it another day in weigh down. Day 5. Let's see how our alfalfa microgreens are doing today. As you can see, more plants have grown tall enough to actually look like a miniature plant instead of a seed with a root coming out. Water the tray again with your spraying bottle. Check the bottom for roots coming through the holes of the tray. If this is the case, spray the bottom tray with water to keep the roots wet. If you don't do this, they will die and eventually your plants will die too. Here there are no roots visible yet, so I don't have to water the bottom tray at this point. Now the tray goes into blackout. This basically means that you put the top tray back on top, but upside down so that it forms a sort of dome. This is done to allow the plants to grow a little taller without having to deal with the environment, which is mostly the wind, which might dry them out too quickly. Day 6. The microgreens are standing tall now. Ideally, I would want to keep them in blackout another day to get them a little stronger, but I sense the smell of fungus, so I will get them underneath the light. Water the tray with the bottle as you did before. At this point, you really want to start bottom watering, whether there are roots visible or not. Pour some water into the bottom tray. This will help keep the growing medium wet. Otherwise, it will dry out too fast by the ventilation fans. Leave the top tray uncovered and put it back into the rack. Day 7. The alfalfa microgreens start to appear like real baby plants now, with their leaves unfolding and the plants actually turning green instead of yellow. They look strong and healthy. Mist the top tray with your spraying bottle and provide the bottom with a generous amount of water. Day 8. The microgreens start to look good, though they are a little dry. Water the bottom tray twice a day when you see this happening. Also, don't forget to continue misting the top tray. Day 9. The alfalfa is growing well. More and more plants are losing their seed holes. Keep watering both top and bottom. Day 10. More leaves are unfolding. The tray looks greener by the day. We are waiting for the true leaf stage. They are not there yet. Keep watering. Day 11. Look at this gorgeous piece of greenness. When you look in between the first leaves, you can see the true leaves already popping up. We will not harvest yet. I like my alfalfa a little taller. The advantage of that is that more plants will lose their seed holes too. Day 12. Almost there. We will wait just one more day before we will harvest these delicious microgreens. Water the bottom. The top will hardly be necessary at this stage. Do so when there are still dry spots visible. Day 13. Okay, one day more. The alfalfa microgreens look amazing. Almost all plants have lost their seed holes. Tomorrow will be the day. Water the tray. Day 14. Harvest day, finally. In an airtight container, you can store them for about a week. Thanks for watching.